Our neighbors have told us many times, we don't want you here. That there are really bad people in the world that in the name of extreme religion are willing to go on a bus and blow themselves up. Monsters in the name of a radical religion came out to hurt, burn, rape, murder. On October 7th, I woke up to the darkest day for the Jewish people.
How much radicalized could a person can be that they are ready to give up on their lives?
48 war, 68 war, 67, 73 war, the Yom Kippur War, 85, First Lebanon War, Second Lebanon now, October 7th, a group of terrorism who got millions and millions of dollars from Qatar, invested them in building tunnels and in hate. I'm reminding you that Osama bin Laden was a multimillionaire and he could invest it in good things in the world.
We can be Hindus, we can be Muslims, we can be Christian, but we are an Indian first.
I think religion has a beautiful side to it, but it has a dangerous side to it. We will turn every pub in Europe into a mosque.
Day 1 of being a soldier at front line versus day 179 or coming back from that front line.
Don't let anyone ever tell you what you can and can't do. Everyone's invited in India to come to their spiritual journey.